let me welcome all of you, the scientists and engineers, to the Fidget River Dam Project. No, the river is named after a famous critter named Fidget. And he is here to give us moral support. He's just here to be near us. Your chief engineer will be Miss James, and she will not be here until Monday. I'm her assistant, and I'll be with you guys during the planning process. Monday. What your assignment is in your mission is in your science groups, you are going to develop and present a design for a dam along the Fidget River. Your materials you will have available to you.
It's not. It's this.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, the materials that you will have available to you to actually build the dam are each group will get 15 popsicle sticks.
Oh my gosh.
20 toothpicks, 1 cup of gravel, 1 cup of sand, 1 jumbo straw, and 6 plastic cubes.
Yes.
But you're not going to get them today. You're not going to get them tomorrow. That's your materials. That's your material list, so you know what is going to be available to your group. Let me finish, and I'll tell you. Your presentation of your design will be made Monday to the chief engineer. I've got white butcher paper available for your group to allow you to help present your ideas. But should your first draft be on that white butcher paper?
No.
I've got loose leaf paper up here, so you can start. There's a whole stack. So you can kind of put your initial thoughts and your design ideas on that first. Remember, a good presentation will show what the plan is in detail. So like I showed up here, okay? Maybe I would make a key on my paper. So popsicle sticks look like that. Maybe toothpicks, I'm going to have our brown straight lines. I ran out of colors when I did this the first time. Sand, I might just color it pink.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am?
Johnny has to check it out.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We're going to be working on it tomorrow, though, too. Okay? And then the gravel, maybe I make it little gray rocks or something. But if you have a key, it will help your design be in detail so that people can kind of see and understand. Remember, with your presentation, it can't be just a good picture. The group has got to be able to explain it and present it well. Because she's going to want to know, why did you decide to do things a certain way? After your successful presentation to the chief engineer, she will provide you with materials and you will actually build your dam according to your plan in your stream buckets or stream tables. Why? Today's Thursday. Before you actually start your design, you will be in your science groups and you are going to work on these 2 worksheets. There are a total of 4 questions. Very simple. Do these together first and then work as a team to do your design. Not to build it, to design it.
To design
Now,
it. That's what I meant to say.
let me give you some hints on how to make a successful group. Because I think that is the hardest thing. You're working in a large group of people. Everyone has a little bit different personality. And everyone has kind of different thoughts. In your groups, pick someone to be like the chief engineer, the team leader. Okay? Someone who doesn't mind taking charge. Okay, that doesn't mean they do the project and everyone else sits there and draws pictures. That just means they're going to kind of help facilitate things. That means that while we're in our group, let's say Kelly and I and Wyatt are in the same group, and Kelly's the team leader. Zach. And Wyatt's trying to give an idea, and I'm like, no, wait, listen to mine. Kelly, her job as a team leader, will be like, hey, Miss Savelle, wait, let's finish listening to Wyatt, because he has a great idea that we all need to listen to. Then it'll be your turn. As soon as you guys can learn to work together and not talk over one another, you will be very successful. Have someone as your team leader. Have someone as the scribe who's going to write notes. Have someone who's going to be the drawer. Have someone who's going to be in charge of reading the questions. So you kind of have to work together on that. Now, what are your individual questions for this project? Mary Margaret? You don't know what your questions are? Well, then you don't have any. Alex?
Are we about the dam today and some of it tomorrow?
You will. I'm sorry. Thank you. Very good question. You have all day to. Well, not all day. All science today, and all science tomorrow
Okay, I got it.
to finish these 2 worksheets and do your butcher paper. Monday science class, it's all presentation. So you basically have 2 class periods to get it done. Yes, sir.
Do we have to use all those?
This is what's available to you. So if you only want to use 10 toothpicks, that's all you have to use. So it's like when you're given all this stuff, you can either use it or not. It's up to you. So however you decide to make the best type of dam, we kind of give you what you need. Yes, ma'am. Please put that away, please. Science. You have all science class to work on. Any other questions? Cameron, you can stop the video because now we're just going to work. So let me hand you out your worksheets real quick. And then go ahead and get into your science groups. Go ahead and get the worksheets done and start working on projects. I know, sweetie. Miss Jane says to tell you that she sends her love.